Mr. Wilson here, taking you through how to do the adjustment of trial balance, journal entries and ledger entries. So we're going to just adjust this trial balance in this video. The next video will do the other two bits. So pen out and make it happen. First entry that we're going to adjust for is wages owing to 560. So wages owing, not including GST. So do you remember what that's called? I'll write it in. Make sure you write it in on yours, and the figure is 560. And because it's wages owing, we're going to add it to dry cleaning wages here. $560 added to both sides. Right, cross it out. Second one, shop rent's been paid in advance, $2,300 including GST. Because it's a prepayment, we're going to just get rid of that GST and make it 2,000 divided by 1.15, and that's going to be a prepayment. So on the left-hand side, prepayment's an asset, and you put 2,000 there. Because it's an advance, that means take it off. Things happen on the same side. So find your shop rent, and we're going to take 2,000 off. Also plus 2,000 and minus 2,000 here. So that'll balance. Dividends owing 135. So dividends is an income, and we've got 135 owing to that. So add it on. And remember what it's called, income owing, not including GST. What side are you going to put it on? Good, and write it in. Nice. Got that one out done. Insurance to be split between dry cleaning and administrative. So we'll just go up to the insurance figure, put dry cleaning. So this is going to be important when you classify it and put it into the financial statements. So what have we got? We've got 560 times 80%. So that should be 448. And we'll put insurance down here. And admin. So you just write insurance, but classified in the right place. So 560 minus that 448 is 112. So 112 out of here and put down here. Cross that off. The next one, bad debts to be written off, 184. So because it says including GST, we're going to split it. So 184 can divide by 1.15. There's 160. And the GST component therefore will be 24. So the whole lot comes off accounts. So accounts receivable, we're going to minus 184. Okay, we like these nice round figures here. The bad debts, we're going to add the 160. So find bad debts down here. Doesn't look like there's any bad debts currently. So just be careful of that, because sometimes there is a bad debt and we need to add it on. This is obviously a new one, so we'll write it in. Of your 160. And the GST over here. GST is actually on the different side normally. So basically, GST, we can claim that back, which means the government owes us more. So we're going to add, I'll just check that figure. We've got that 24 there. So we're going to add the 24 to the GST. And tick that one off. And we've got the allowance here, though. The allowance to be adjusted to 2%. So accounts receivable is 5500. So this allowance for doubtful debts equals 5500 times 2%. So we want this allowance to be 110, that figure. So it's going up by $10. So we add doubtful debts here as an expense. We always write doubtful debts on the debit side. Sometimes it can be a minus figure though. So we went up 20 here, so we add 20 there. Cross that one off. Invoice on hand for electricity, including GST, so we need to split that. 138. You put an equals in front of it. 120 and 18. So the whole lot gets added to your accounts receivable. Sorry, accounts payable. Oh, just better undo that one because we've got accounts payable already up here. So what we're going to do is add the whole lot to accounts payable. So that's 138. And we've got 120 adding on to the electricity. And the last bit is that 18. We can claim that back. So we're going to add that on to the GST. No, my addition's wrong. 6242. All right, scrolling on down. Done that one. Depreciation, vehicles is 50 cents a kilometre. So pretty easy to calculate, really. So it's 50 cents times 6,500. And that figure, we're going to edit. We're on the credit side. Going up to this one. So 10. Right, add 3250 up to here, 3250 to there. The last one we need to do adjustment for is depreciation on dry cleaning equipment. Have to write small for this one. Now this one is using diminishing value method. So diminishing value, we'll do a formula in here just to get it sorted. So it's the cost of that dry cleaning equipment, which you'll see is 54,000, minus the accumulated depreciation of 1,200. And so that'll give us a carrying amount and times the rate of 15%. Better put brackets there. Okay, so we've got 7920. I'm going to add it to there. Great. The last entry here is the shares in MNOP have a market value of 9,200. You can see that they're 8,000. So there's an increase in value of 1,200 because they're an investment asset, a long-term asset. we only record that as a note, so we're not going to do anything about it. So that's the end of the first video. Next video we'll do the journal entries and the ledgers.